Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Jeff Goodman here, MyEcon affiliate, and in this video, I'm just going to be going over how you are able to redirect your referral link to your domain name that you've made up with a host like GoDaddy.com, or there's other companies online that host your domain name for your website. So I'm just going to go over with you what I do to ensure that the proper referral link is hooked up to the correct domain name that I've created. And like I said, if you have an account with GoDaddy, it's great to have, because that's how you can, set up an account so that you can start your own domain name. You typically pay about $12 a year as an annual fee to have the sites, and you renew every year. See, like this one right here for me, it's about to come up on April, and that's the domain name that I have to renew. But what I'm doing is making sure that I can take that particular link and assign it to a said domain name. I no longer want it to be under gainprofitsonline.com. So I'm going to take the link that is associated with it now, which is what my referral link is. The referral link is what you get when you begin MyEcon, when you begin that business. We all, or each representative, gets and receives their own website. That comes with you getting started as a business owner and an affiliate. I just want to get to my actual link. Where is it at? My products. Where's this information at? That's what I want. Alright, this area right here, that's where you would be updating any type of link that you want to have associated with your domain name. So here we are. This is my referral link that I received from MyEcon when I first got started. So this will always be the bread and butter site that you want to make sure that you hold on to. Without this, you have no virtual presence online. So we'll go back here, and I'm going to come out of that screen because I got what I wanted. Copy and paste the referral link. And I want it to always be associated with this one, wealthadjusted.com. That's my link. That's my business link. That's what I use on all of my business cards. That's what I use on most of my posts online. Link. That's my link. So copy it. Bam.
America is the wealthiest country in the world and accounts for more than 25% of the world's wealth. In fact,
there we go. I'm going to preview it, make sure it's okay. I'm going to see that. No. Well, they see that now because of we didn't save any of this yet. It still has the old directory. So once we hit save, it saves it. GoDaddy. That update should take about a half hour. So in a half hour from now, I should be able to go back to it and I'll be in business. Whenever somebody types in wealthadjusted.com, it will no longer go to the old referral link. It will now go to the link that you just saw from my website, my business website. And that's how you should set up your actual MyEcon referral link. You want to have it to be a polished looking link. You don't want it to be generic. Generic means that you'll have your link that you've been given from MyEcon as your go-to whenever somebody is trying to reach out to you. And a lot of times that can be convoluted for people that are trying to just interpret something quickly. It's too much to comprehend for somebody to try to type in wealth adjuster / question mark, dot 257, and that's, most links are made up like that. So you want to get something that's polished, something that is catchy. In my case, the wealth adjuster. You want to do it. So you want to name it to have it speak for what you are actually about. Speak for what your business is about. For instance, you can't have, Swiffer Sweeper, .com as your actual hashtag or as your brand when you're going to be talking to people about financial literacy. It just wouldn't make sense. So that's what I mean by when I say you want to title your brand or title your business to speak for what it represents. MyEcon represents financial success, financial literacy, credit repair, credit consulting. That's what it deals with. So you want to have your business name speak to an audience in that nature. And that's it. So by the time I go back to check this later on, I'll have the site, or by the time you even are looking at this, and you can click on the link underneath the description of my channel here, which will have my website in it. You'll go to the website that I directed it to go to, my referral link for MyEcon business. That's what you should do for your own business as well. So I hope you found this information valuable. Be sure to like, comment, share. I look forward to giving you some more content or more information like this in the near future, and hopefully it can help you with your business and your journey as an internet marketer. All right.